Hello, my name is Teacher Lauren. I am from the Philippines. I graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy and also I have TEFL certificate, which helps me to teach English in a fun and effective way. In my class, we will learn English through songs, games, pictures, and exciting activities. I will help you to improve your speaking, reading, pronunciation, and vocabulary skills. I always encourage my students to speak with confidence and enjoy learning English together. I believe learning English can be fun and exciting for everyone. I am very excited to meet you. See you in my class. Goodbye.